we've had 14 Fed tightening cycles since 1950, 11 recessions out of the 14, but we have three soft landings. In the mid-60s, mid-80s, and mid-90s. In the mid-90s is when Alan Greenspan developed the moniker of the maestro. But you see, the Fed respected the yield curve back then. They stopped tightening once the yield curve flattened. They didn't invert the yield curve. That's why you got the soft landings. But those other Feds did not perceive that there was a real inflation problem that had to be dealt with. But this Fed does. So that's, I think, one of the key differences. If we actually get through this, a Fed tightening cycle that inverts the yield curve without a recession, that'll be the first time that's ever happened. And if it does happen, and I'll give myself to the first quarter of next year, I will be the first one. I will wipe the egg off my face, and I'll write a report saying, I was wrong. The business cycle has been repealed after all.